Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about irrigation water measurement using weir, notch, mouthpiece and orifice. So notch and weir are the structure which measures the open channel flow, while the pressurized flow is measured by the mouthpiece or orifice. So the notches and weirs both are the hydraulic structure which are used to measure the discharge. So notch and weir are almost same. Notches are the opening provided in the tanks or reservoir, and these weirs are constructed on the rivers to either store the water or to rise the water in the upstream side. So in both case, the water falls over this edge or structure. So notches are constructed by the metallic plates, thin metallic plates, while weirs जो है ये construct करते हैं concrete materials से, and ये as compared to notch, weir will be thick. So this edge is known as the crest. जो टॉप पार्ट है आइदर वियर का या नोज का, जिसके ऊपर से वाटर फ्लो करेगा, दैट इज नोन एज द क्रेस्ट. एंड जो वाटर फ्लो करेगा या जो लेयर ऑफ वाटर फ्लो करेगी, दैट इज नोन एज द नैप. So this one is the upstream side and this one is the downstream side. So the weirs are categorized into two types. One is sharp crested and another one is the broad crested. So sharp crested weir जो है इसका crest जो है sharp होगा या जो thickness है it will be less. In case of broad crested, this crest width will be more. Now these weir as well as notches are available in three shapes: rectangular, trapezoidal and triangular shape. So this triangular weir or notch is known as the V-notch. Trapezoidal shape weir is known as the Cipolliti weir. And other than these three, there is one more type of notch, that is stepped notch. Stepped notch is the combination of rectangular or rectangle notches. So we will see how we calculate discharge from these different shape of weirs or notches. So to calculate the discharge from the rectangular weir or notch, the formula is Q is equals to 0.0184. L is the crest length and H is the height of the flow. जो crest के ऊपर से, एक crest है, crest के ऊपर से जो water flow कर रहा है, that is known as the H, and the length of the crest will be L. Length कौन सी होगी? This one. From this point to this point is the length. Now trapezoidal notch or weir. In trapezoidal notch or weir, to estimate the discharge, the formula is 0.0186 LH to the power 3 by 2. So ये जो 0.0186 है या जो भी इसमें कोफिशिएंट्स आ रहे हैं, ये कैलकुलेट किए गए हैं on the basis of shape and angles. Now for triangular or V-notch weir, the formula is 0.0138 H to the power 5 by 2. And in stepped notch, since it's a combination of rectangular notch, so इसमें जो section 1, 2, 3 है जिसके डायमेंशन में डिफरेंस है, सो हर एक सेक्शन के लिए सेपरेटली कैलकुलेट करेंगे discharge using rectangular notch formula, and sum of the discharge of all sections is the discharge from the stepped notch. And जो इससे discharge आएगा, the unit of this discharge will be liter per second. Now in how we calculate the discharge in case of broad crested weir? So in broad crested weir, one constant is considered like this: into coefficient of velocity, coefficient of discharge, width of the channel, and height to the power 3 by 2, or head over the crest to the power 3 by 2. Now what are the difference between notches and weir? So we have already discussed that notches are opening provided in one side of tank or reservoir with upstream liquid level below the top edge of the opening. Weir के केस में structure constructed across a river or canal to store or rise the water level on the upstream side. जो notches हैं, the bottom edge of notch over which water flow is known as the sill or crest. Similarly, in case of weir, the part over which water flow is known as the crest. नोच जो है मेटेलिक प्लेट से बने होंगे. वियर्स आर कंसिस्ट ऑफ सीमेंट, कंक्रीट और मशीनरी. नोचेस यूज करते हैं फॉर द स्मॉल डिस्चार्ज मेजरमेंट इन स्मॉल स्ट्रीम्स. वियर्स का यूज करते हैं लार्ज डिस्चार्जेस के लिए एंड फॉर द डिस्चार्ज ऑफ द रिवर्स. नोचेस का स्मॉल साइज होगा एज कंपेयर टू वियर्स. नाउ orifice. So like notches and weir, orifice and mouthpiece are almost same. Or mouthpiece is a extended form of orifice. So orifice is a horizontal or vertical opening in a closed perimeter through which water is flow. Orifice basically measure करता है pressure flow को या flow in the closed perimeter. And orifice can be under the free flow condition or submerged flow condition में. This first image shows the submerged flow condition. So in submerged condition means in case of this water level is this one and जो location है orifice की ये है. While in case of free flow the water level will be below the orifice. ये orifice है और orifice hole के level से नीचे है water level. Now जो orifice से water pass होगा, in case of notches and weirs, the layer of water flowing over the crest was known as the nap. In case of orifice and mouthpiece, it is known as the jet. Now जो free flow orifice plates हैं, second case, ये use करते हैं small streams के लिए and this submerged flow is used in the larger flows and or in reservoir. Now mouthpiece. So since I said mouthpiece is a extended form of orifice. Orifice में pipe connect कर दें, then it is known as the mouthpiece. So mouthpiece is a short tube of length not more than 2 or 3 times of its diameter. और इससे जो pipe add करेंगे इसकी length इसके डायमीटर के 2 से 3 टाइम्स तक हो सकती है, which is fitted to the tank for measuring the discharge of flow from the tank. So the discharge from the mouthpiece is more than the orifice. ये कह सकते हैं कि orifice में यदि हम किसी पाइप को ऐड कर दें या फिट कर दें, इस केस में जो डिस्चार्ज होगा उसका इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. And how do we estimate the discharge from the orifice or mouthpiece? So it can be calculated by Q is equals to C, coefficient C, A is the area of orifice into root 2G, at G is the gravity and H is the head over the rest. Thank you.